Did you know the most dangerous thing affecting your heart, brain, eyes, and even diabetes might be happening while you're sleeping? Surprising, right? You sleep for about 7 to 8 hours, but what if your body is actually struggling to breathe throughout the whole night? Imagine this. You go to bed tired after a long day. You sleep for about 7 to 8 hours, but still, when you wake up, still you feel exhausted, still boggy, and with headache. Are you somebody like that? You think it's stress, maybe work pressure, maybe aging, but the real problem is something called sleep apnea, maybe. Sleep apnea is a condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleeping. So many people don't even realize this thing. The only way to notice this is by loud snoring, daytime sleepiness, morning headaches, poor concentration, high blood pressure, so on and so forth. These could be the simple ways where you could have some doubt. But here's the scary part. Untreated sleep apnea is strongly linked to heart disease, stroke, brain fog, memory problem, diabetes, even eye problems like glaucoma, retinitis pigmentosa can worsen. When your breathing stops during sleep, your body doesn't get enough oxygen, especially the brain doesn't get enough oxygen. And over time, the lack of oxygen silently affects your heart, brain metabolism, and overall health. The good news is sleep apnea can be detected and treated. At Dr. Sashi's Wellness, we carefully evaluate sleep disturbances and screen for sleep apnea, helping patients protect their heart health, brain health, and eye health, including the metabolic health. Because good sleep is not just about rest, it's life-saving medicine for your own body. If you wake up tired, you snore loudly, or you struggle with sleep, please don't ignore it. Your sleep might be trying to tell you something very, very important. Get your sleep checked at your nearest doctor, especially ENT doctors or lung specialists. General physicians could help you in this. Thank you, Dr. Sashi.